My favorite thing about the school is that they really help us and put effort into our work. The time here and what I will remember is that all these teachers will be here for me.
My favorite thing about this school would be I've had all these teachers support me and help me through my journey.
I like Gallegos Elementary because when I came here, they were nice to me, they were generous, and I like all the teachers. It's fun here.
All these teachers have been here to help us.
I'm gonna try to get like my cousins that are like younger than me to come to the school because it's gonna be fun.
And I've been here for years, always getting supported by all of these teachers and all of these teachers being here to help me throughout my journey. I will always remember that.
Hi, my name is Jenny Zuniga. I am the president of the PTO, Miss Jackie Castillo, vice president of PTO, Miss Claudia Zavala. We are trying to get more parents involved. We're also asking for donations for our community, for our students. We're trying to make a difference to get involved more parents so they could see their kids, their development during the school.
Trying to motivate the children by rewarding them. We're trying to appreciate our teachers as well.
Thank you. This is from the PTO.